Hi everyone, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. So I have a Coffee Monsterz Co haul for you. I think this is from the pre-order that happened a few months ago. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, then please keep on watching. Make sure I'm not missing anything. All right, thank you Eva for packing my order. Okay, this is the freebie. How cute is that? Chapter 7. Sigh. It's like when you're studying. Rotting all day. Cute. So that's the freebie. Just me and my stationery against the world. Oh, she needs to make that into a sticker. Helen, make it into a sticker, please. This notebook is for sure going to change my life. I'm going to be so organized. This is the new me. I need this new notebook. I just read a study that was done about people buying new notebooks all the time. And it's not that they are addicted to shopping or stationery. They're addicted to starting a new phase of their life. And that's why they always get new notebooks. Isn't that interesting? So I got a few more stickers. I love pens and inks. And the reason I did that is because I have different ink journals and notebooks and things like that. So I wanted to put that in there. Freaking always cleaning. So that's that. And then I got these canceled, not today, rescheduled, texting doodles. So I have my notifications off except for my kids, my 4 kids. And the running joke at the dance studio is that I will hopefully return your text within 72 hours. But if it's an emergency, to call me. And this is phone call doodles. I rarely make phone calls, but my son has been in Korea, so I've been trying to call him often, but he doesn't call me back. Okay, this is the 2026 Q2 large afternoon doodles. I love that. I think this is on like the transparent matte sticker paper, the large fountain pens, fruit, cake, tea, the neighborhood, shopping, coffee shop. And this is the 2026 Q2 midday pick-me-up. I actually really just like those fountain pens the most. And of course coffee. This is the Q2 afternoon stroll. And I'm always walking my dog. And this is organized stuffs. So I've been redoing my whole craft room. So I could put this down every day for the last 2 weeks. So I've been doing that. Laundry day every day. Search when I need to do some research about things. Customer service, because sometimes I do have to talk to customer service. And you attract more flies with honey. Something like that. I only get stern if I have to. This is me horizontal day. I don't know, the older I get, the more I need one day to do completely nothing. It's really sad. And this is pillow doodles for when I have to put gel in my eyes because my eyes are so dry. Another aspect of getting older. So I got one with colorful and one with neutral. And then this is the Q1 large cleaning doodles. Oh my gosh, that's me all the time. Then I got a Leuchtturm. I have not used one of these in years, but I love that. It's got the Modi, and I got mine, I think mine is the dotted notebook. I can't remember if they're all dotted, but I prefer dotted for everything. I'm not gonna open this up right now until I'm ready to use this, but I will use this as a commonplace notebook after I'm done with what I'm currently using. They call it commonplace notebook. I just call it a place where I write down all my notes where I won't have sticky notes everywhere. And that's what I used to do. When I first learned how to bullet journal, I used Leuchtturm. I don't know how long ago that was, but that was a long time ago. So there's that. And then I got 2 washi tapes. So let me open these up. First washi I got is the Wonder Pens and the Coffee Monsterz Co. 2.0 washi. So what I do with my washi tape is I have a swatch book here. And I swatch them by company because that's how I have them stored. So when I get a new washi, I will put it on here. And then I'll just put this on here like this. And I've drawn these pencil lines just as a kind of a guide for me to cut it. I mean, keep it kind of straight. So let me document this one. This one is Wonder Pens XTCMC 2.0. And then this one, I got Fruits and Veggies washi. I can't believe I didn't have this one. I had the Sweet Treats one, but I feel like I'm forever cutting and washing and cutting fruits and veggies because I store them in mason jars so that they last longer. Do you guys do that? You soak them in vinegar water for 10 minutes, dry them off, and then you can store them in mason jars and they'll last much longer. Well, there you have it. That's my little haul from the Coffee Monsterz Co. This was the pre-order. Thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to check out Helen's shop, the Coffee Monsterz Co. I will have that link down below. And Helen, please make this into a sticker. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.